Did you ever draw a trend line that led to false signals and misinterpretation of market trends? Trend lines are one of the easiest technical analysis tools, but if you're new to trading, it can be challenging to draw trend lines correctly, and that can lead to false breakouts. Let's dive into how trend lines can actually enhance your trading strategy without overcomplicating it. In this video, you will learn what a trend line is, how to draw trend lines, how to trade trend lines, and how not to miss a breakout. Give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. A trend line is an area of support or resistance. In an uptrend, markets gradually move up with pullbacks touching a support area to form a bullish trend line. In a downtrend, the price moves down with pullbacks to a resistance area, creating a bearish trend line. Many traders draw trend lines incorrectly, cluttering charts with too many lines or overthinking their placements. To correctly draw a trend line, focus on using candle wicks, although candle closes can also be acceptable. An ideal trend line in a high-volume market has at least 3 clean touches with good space between them. Instead of just drawing lines, sometimes it's better to draw areas using the rotated rectangle tool. This method helps you avoid fakeouts by defining a broader support or resistance area. The most popular trading strategy is trading trend line breakouts, but it can be tricky. Avoid rushing into a trade immediately. Instead, wait for a retest to confirm the breakout. This method helps avoid false breakouts, which happen frequently. Once you've drawn a proper trend line, you don't need to sit and wait for a breakout. You can create a trend line alert and get notified as soon as the price breaks through it. This way, you can decide whether to trade it immediately or wait for confirmation. Trend lines are a valuable tool when used correctly. They help identify market trends, predict price movements, and improve trading decisions. Try drawing trend lines on your next trade and see the difference they make. Sign up for a free trial on Altrady today to explore our advanced charting tools.